Yeah, I got that. So I end up had was to paint the edge, but I'm gonna scrub that off. Ignore that. I installed this. We drop a little bit. Fucking hell, drop a little bit. Who cares? Okay, okay. Alrighty. Okay, you're back. Wait. Yeah, I use this to hold it up. I should have used 2 screws, but I don't want to put too much oil in it. It's fine. So I use the liquid. My liquid nail. You know what I mean. To hold it, and I level it with this. Make sure it level. So this is the blank one. So this is the blank one. See, because you have the face basin, the kitchen sinky thingy, and this is the drawer. Yeah, but I keep that on it because I don't want it to drop. Right. I give the guy this to bill, but he's short. It is short. Wait. Bad lighting. It is short. By 2 inches, 3 inches. Just say 3 inches, girl. But it's fine. Need to get a little brush to touch up there. Tape this out. I always beat out my bit heads then. Boy, may I tell you. Noisy. Shit. What the fuck? I just use the new one, not the old one. Yeah, that one's too bent. Yep. Yeah, I did it. I put it on. It's leveled. I leveled up everything. So now I'm gonna get the scrubs and scrub off around there, and then you'll see it. Cool. Oh, I'm gonna build a big one for here, for the gas cylinder to go under there, and run the wire through to the hose through to the stove, and tile the top of that. So I thought I needed a scour pad, but I don't. I just used the car rug. I am not lazy. I just don't think when I'm doing stuff. I'm not mindful. I'm impulsive. I paint this shit and forgot that the fucking fridge could move, and paint up the fridge. I know what? I have to clean off the fridge. Right? The fridge could move, and I paint around here, and I force the freaking this and paint up the fridge. Ain't using it. But have I ever used it anyways? That's the question. I wipe it off. I didn't clean the fridge. I just wipe off the paint. And then I'm going to paint here when I pick up the doors them. I'm going to do one more coat of paint on that. And get a little paintbrush. Tape out these areas. And paint it. But, hey. It's coming up. So now I have that. And I don't have those because I take them down. So I'm getting there. Yes, y'all. I'm going to paint inside white. I have the paint. I'm just lazy. But I got the paint. Those are the same. The mansion they're not called panel. I forgot what they call. Doors that I get built. And it's the same 6 that is going over there. But these 2 are bigger than these 4. And no glass. No glass at all. It's just like that. And this is staying here until it dry. I don't want to put no tack nail in it or anything. Maybe in the future I have to if it ever pull off. I don't know, but it's liquid nail. That's supposed to hold that mother sugar. Good when it dry. So yeah, what y'all think? Oh, let me show you the entrance to this apartment. Yes, it's a king size bed. And yep, always forgot to buy the shower curtain. I'm gonna buy an olive color shirt curtain and 2 white. The olive in the middle because the shower is big like, yo, 6 people can shower one time. May I tell you that for real? Anyways, AC on because it's bad shit hot. So I need 2 more pillows for in here. And some sheets, yeah, I need some sheets. I need some king size sheets. Anyways, let me show you that. That's the laundry room. This is the 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, so this one now, it's my electric stove that I took out of the apartment after COVID. Because the electric stove and not COVID, the storm. Now works. Hi, Spence. So, okay. This is my entrance. And it have Champo Empire on that side with a lizard, and it has 57 on that side. So okay, you come in for that apartment, you will go that way. So I have apartment 1, which shouldn't have been apartment 2 because I live there. Apartment 1, 2, 3 around there, and 4, and this is going to be my 5th. I'm gonna call it the 5th. Apartment 4, which is the red one, and this one up here, the upstairs one, the little tiny one. Apartment 6, and a stairs is gonna build here, which I talk about that a million times and it never happened. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the building paint. So yeah, you come from the front and make a left to this apartment. So this is the situation. Okay, this is the bedroom, which has a door. AC, cool. Alrighty then, or you can enter to the kitchen door. Right. So it has 2 entrances, the bedroom door or the kitchen door. And you walk around there and pass the crazy spiral stairs and come around here. Okay. So see, I'm taking down the doors, but I can't take off these because my hand ain't good.